was a stuffed animal, a hot meal, and some chocolate at the mental ward. That's what the victim gets. Pity parties aren't fun. You know what though? Superstars get trillions of dollars, 1970 Boss 302 Mustang named Maverick, a private jet, and best of all, the satisfaction of the victory. I can taste it. Is it still cold outside? This lady said to me, is it still cold outside? I was like, girl, look, I came here from LA. I came here for a limited time to finish my album. I said, I'm gonna do what I gotta do. I ain't gonna sit here, Columbia's colder than LA. I ain't gonna sit here and complain about it though. I said, why would I complain? Ain't nothing I can do about the weather. What's up, y'all? If this is your first time coming to my channel, thank you so much for coming. Please comment below and tell me how you found me and what's your name. My name is Liberty V Justice, and there's no period in my V because my victories never end, and yours don't have to either, my friends. You are infinite in value. You can do anything you want to do. And to all my returning champions, you know how I feel about you. I love you. Everybody that's here, you are my air and water. Thank you so much for commenting and coming to watch this. I love you guys so much. Thank you for being on this journey with me of victory. You're worth it. Thank you. Right? I say, everybody's all complaining. Oh, it's cold outside. It's cold in Columbia in December. Oh, I lived here for 30 years, but it's cold. Oh, it's raining. I might get a drop on myself when I go to the car. I say, hey, I walk with all my stuff. You know, the only thing I can do is prepare. You either prepare or you get scared. But if you get prepared, you ain't gonna get scared. You just prepare. And yes, I'm gonna get cold walking in my shorts in the rain with all my stuff, my computer and all my equipment wrapped up. Yes, I'm gonna get cold. But complaining about it makes it worse. You know what I mean? I didn't tell her all this, but God don't like a complainer. That's what I told her. God don't like a complainer, so I'm not gonna complain. You know, after 4.5 years of sleeping outside, I realized something. When I don't complain and I act like I'm happy, even if, like I might trick. I heard somewhere, and I read this and heard this a lot of times from a lot of different people, and they're all millionaires and billionaires. If you act like you're happy, you can fool yourself into actually being happy. Start laughing and just keep fake laughing, and eventually you're gonna be laughing for real. You know, tell yourself every day that you're the most gorgeous woman to ever walk this planet. You're a trillionaire. You're the best wife ever. I say those things to myself. Thank you, God, for my 1970 Boss 302 Mustang named Maverick. Thank you, God, for my private jet. Thank you for my best husband ever. Thank you for my ministry that I'm going to go to Africa and empower people there. You know, so I fool myself because it's not fooling myself, because now I believe it, and I don't believe it. I want to step beyond believing, and now I know it. I know the facts. And it's because I act like a trillionaire. I love working, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm working, you know, and the reason why it's like this, I turn my neck like this, is because the sun, it'll mess up and I'll be so mad because I had such a good episode. I'm like, oh, it was good, but the sun, and nobody's gonna watch that, right? But not only does complaining not help me, it makes me feel worse. And when I feel bad, I get on the vibration of the people. For example, at the stores, that work at the stores I was talking about, the people that they're insecure, so they work at certain jobs that they know that they can do way better, but they feel insecure. So I get on their vibration, and then I feel bad, and then I'm seeking validation, and guess what? I'm feeling needy, and guess what? They ain't going to give it to me, you know? They can't give it because they don't know how to give it. They don't even know how to give it to themselves. They try to take it from everybody else. They don't care. They don't feel sorry for me, and I don't want to be the victim. There's no way I can help other people, is what I'm saying. Complaining, blaming, excuses, explaining, and all those things, nobody cares. So I don't need to make other people, or, I mean, I guess I could make them feel bad, maybe. Well, they could choose to feel bad if I felt bad. And if I sat there and said things, I would feel bad because I didn't empower anybody. I didn't help anybody. I wasn't thinking of them. I was thinking of myself when I started complaining, right? Complaining does not help anything. It makes it worse, is what I'm saying. Complaining does not help anybody else, so I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna complain. I'm not gonna blame anybody. I'm not gonna explain. I'm just gonna get the results, and I'm proud of myself. If I ever bring something up like, oh, I walked in the rain with all my stuff, That was a victory I'm sharing with you. Anytime I share anything with you and it sounds bad to you, it's because you see yourself as the victim and you want to try to give me sympathy because that's what you want for yourself. But I don't want it. You can keep your sympathy. Because you know what? Sympathy doesn't get you anywhere in life. You know, when I was the victim, the best I ever got was a stuffed animal, a hot meal, and some chocolate at the mental ward. That's what the victim gets. Pity parties aren't fun. You know what though? Superstars get trillions of dollars, 1970 Boss 302 Mustang named Maverick, a private jet, and best of all, the satisfaction of the victory. I can taste it because I'm worth it. And so are you. Thank you.
Love.